Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make text circle in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea. I click to start using Photopea. Next, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photopea to open the image. I will use this green image as a background. Next, we can go to Shape tool, drag and hold. We can find ellipse. And then we can go to top option bar. We can switch from shape to path. Next, we can click and drag to draw an ellipse. If we want to make a perfect circle, we can press Shift and move the cursor. And release the mouse button, we can make a circle path. Next, we can go to the type tool, click and hold. We can choose type tool here, and then click on the path. And then we can type, for example, I type circle text. This is quite small. I press Ctrl A to select all the texts, and then we can change the size. I change it to 200 pixels. If you want to change the color, we can click the color box, and then we can pick a color. In this example, I pick a white color. Also, we can change its font and style. For example, I change it to bold. Next, if you want to move text on the circle path, we can switch to path select, and then we can click and drag the small cross to move it. And then we can move the circle. This is the end of the text. So we can adjust the positioning to change to bottom and change to the top. If we want to make it upside down, we can move to here, and then we can move the end to here, and then click and drag to move cursor to inside the circle, so we can make the text upside down. So this is how we can make circle text in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.